How to fix unable to verify app error on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix unable to verify app error on iPhone, launch the settings application on your device first. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. If you are using cellular, then tap on cellular and then on cellular data options and make sure you are connected to 3G or above. Now tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Find the application showing unable to verify app error and tap on that. Go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again. Reinstalling the app will make sure that an updated version is installed, which will further fix bugs in the app. Do not worry because offloading the app will just delete the app but keep its documents and data safe. Doing this will also free up space used by the app and will further fix the app. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, open App Store and tap on your profile icon. Scroll all the way to the down and tap on Sign Out and now sign in again with the Apple ID that you used to download the apps, and lastly, go to your home page and tap hold on the WhatsApp application. You will see the option for Remove App. Tap on that and then in the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete App. Once deleted, reinstall the application from the App Store again and your problem should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.